Hello, little explorers. Are you ready for a super fast trip? Our ABC train is waiting. What amazing things will we discover? First stop, A. What do you see? A big red apple, shiny and sweet, and a friendly alligator, waving hello. A is for apple and alligator. Zooming to B, look closely. What's here? A bouncy blue ball, ready to play, and a busy little bee buzzing by. B is for ball and bee. Next, C. Can you spot it? A fluffy white cloud floating high, and a cute cuddly cat purring softly. C is for cloud and cat. Wow, we saw so many wonderful things. From A to C, what a fun ride! Apples, alligators, balls, bees, clouds, and cats. Hooray for our ABC train!